given x power 25 plus x power 24 plus x power 23 divided by x power 26 plus x power 24 plus x power 22 is 72 divided by 73, and we have to find x. So here we can take x power 23 common, and it is x squared plus x plus 1, and here we can take x power 22 common, and it is x power 4 plus x squared plus 1 is 72 over 73, and x power 22 times x is x power 23. So we have x times x squared plus x plus 1 over x power 4 plus x squared plus 1 is 72 over 73, and x power 4 plus x squared plus 1 is x power 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 minus x squared, and this is x squared plus 1 squared minus x squared, and a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. So this will be x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. So we have x times x squared plus x plus 1 over, and x power 4 plus x squared plus 1 is x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. It is 72 over 73, and x squared plus x plus 1 will get cancelled. So x over x squared minus x plus 1 is 72 over 73, and if we cross multiply, then x times 73, it is 72 times x squared minus x plus 1, and 73x is 72x squared minus 72x plus 72, and 72x squared minus 72x minus 73x plus 72 is 0, and 72x squared minus 145x plus 72 is 0, and now 72 times 72, 72 times 72, it is 72 is 9 times 8, and 72 is 9 times 8, and 9 times 9 is 81, and 8 times 8 is 64, and 145 is 81 plus 64. So we have 72 x squared and minus 145x is minus 81x minus 64x plus 72 is 0. And here we can take 9x common, and it is 8x minus 9. And here we can take minus 8 common, and it is 8x minus 9 is 0. And now we can take 8x minus 9 common, and it is 9x minus 8. It is 0. So 8x minus 9, it can be 0. That means x is 9 divided by 8, and 9x minus 8, it can be 0. That means x is 8 divided by 9. So we get x is 9 over 8, and x is 8 over 9.